sunshine and rain. I got endless words that I want to say. It starts on Tuesday and ends on Friday. I just sit till Monday, dreaming about you, hoping that you are thinking about me too. Every time I smell sunshine and rain, I can't help but whisper your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. Oh, girl, I can't stop whispering your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. To the girl that smells like sunshine and rain. I never get tired of thinking about what if, and planning all the fun things we can do together. If only I could think of the right things to say, then you might just like me for one single day. To the girl that smells like sunshine and rain. To the girl that smells like sunshine and rain. Every time I smell sunshine and rain, I can't help but whisper your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. Oh, girl, I can't stop whispering your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. To the girl that smells like sunshine and rain. Every time I smell sunshine and rain, I can't help but whisper your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. I can't stop whispering your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. To that girl that smells like sunshine and rain. Every time I smell sunshine and rain, I can't help but whisper your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. I can't stop whispering your name. I just sit around dreaming about you. To the girl that smells like sunshine and rain.